Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. If the laptop is running and there is no display on your laptop, so this video is for you. I will show you how to quickly fix this issue. So you need to remove all the external cables from your system. Like these are the external cables. Remove all the external cable including power cable, and just you need to press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. Now you can release it. Now it is completely shut down. What you need to do is you need to wait for 15 to 20 seconds again and then turn it on. And this will basically power flush your all the motherboard socket errors, and issue will be fixed after that. You can see display is coming up. Now the issue has been fixed. If your issue is still not resolved, if the issue still persists, what you need to do is you need to press Ctrl Shift Windows and B key together, and this will reset your graphic card driver and your issue will be fixed. If the step number 2 also doesn't work for you, completely shut down your system, plug in the charger only to your laptop or system. Now you need to press Windows and B key and then turn it on, and we are going to update the BIOS. Windows B and then turn it on. Keep pressing the Windows and B button, and you can see the lines are coming up. It means that if you have any update driver related to BIOS, it will be done. Just follow the on screen steps and then your BIOS will be updated. In my case, there is no pending updates related to BIOS, so that is the reason it is not coming up. So this is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.